You don't necessarily want to do that because there's something that this is based on that's really important. So down here, people in your industry, the average rank is 40 out of 50 in my industry. My industry is listed right here. All of our industries are going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you where you choose your industry here in a second, but I want to explain what this SSI score does for you, because I told you it doesn't really matter about your score. The score is subjective to a number of criteria on LinkedIn. You see these bars here? These are indicators of how well you're optimized for the components that LinkedIn grades you on. Now, when you hit these little question marks, it's going to give you some cryptic direction around how you increase that score. And you have to have a little bit of knowledge about what the description is. So